Hi, I'm James from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to measure for cafe-style plantation shutters. Designed for spaces where complete privacy is not necessary. Perfectly suited for windows with a naturally divided top and bottom section, offering a lighter, open feel. Our 63mm slats offer a traditional and classic look, perfect for smaller windows or areas where privacy is a priority, with more slats overall. Our 76mm slats offer a balanced option for both modern and traditional interiors, offering great privacy while still allowing a good view. Our 89mm slats provide a sleek and contemporary look, maximising light and providing a more open view. Best suited for larger windows with fewer slats overall. Next, you'll need to check your recess clearance. For all of our louver slat widths, allow at least 60mm of clearance from any obstruction, for example window handles. For 89mm louvers with a hidden tilt rod, allow 70mm of clearance, as the hidden tilt rod sits at the back of the shutter. You can also choose whether to have a standard visible tilt rod or a hidden tilt rod. The standard tilt rod is positioned in the centre of the shutters, allowing you to easily adjust the slats by a handle, and offers a more traditional or classic look. You can also operate the slats by hand too, if you wish. A hidden tilt rod is fitted discreetly to the back of the slats, allowing you to easily adjust the slats by hand, and offers a more modern, clean and uncluttered look. No rod in the centre also means a less obstructed view and a cleaner window appearance. Next, you'll need to check the squareness of your window. Measure the recess diagonally in both directions. If the difference in measurements is more than 50mm, then we recommend using a Z-square, as less remedial work is required if the recess is out of square. Next, you'll need to choose your frame type, from either an L frame or a Z frame. The L frame has a simple square edge design that fits neatly inside the recess. It gives your shutters a clean, minimal look and works best if your window is nice and straight. The Z frame has a decorative lip that overlaps the wall around your recess. It's great for covering any uneven edges and small gaps, while offering a stylish, built-in trim finish. When choosing your shutters, it is important to consider any obstructions such as inward opening windows or handles. Installation may be affected by shutter style, frame type or slat size. Measure the recess width in two places where the shutter will be installed. Skip the top measurement if the shutter won't go that high. Use the measurements of the smallest width. To specify the finished height or drop of your cafe style shutter, simply measure from the base where the shutter frame will sit up to where you'd like the panel to end. Please note that cafe style shutters don't come with a top frame by default. You'll also need to think about how many panels you'd like your shutters to have and which way they'll open. Our website will give you all the available options depending on the size and style of your shutters. All shutters with 2 or more panels will have astrogels or overlapping styles for improved light reduction and privacy. Our cafe style shutters can be supplied with either a 3-sided frame, left, right and bottom, or a 2-sided frame, left and right only. A top frame is not included with cafe style shutters, as this would create a visible frame across the middle of the window when the panels are open. If a 2-sided frame is selected, we recommend adding a magnet plate to the bottom to ensure the doors close flush. This plate is fixed to the sill and projects by 22mm. Opting for no bottom frame means there's no frame sitting on the windowsill, an ideal choice if you have a decorative sill made of wood, tile or stone that you'd like to keep visible. This design also makes cleaning much easier as you can simply wipe down the windowsill without a frame being present. Head over to our website to order your new shutters. And if you require any further help, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly customer service team.